Hi there. We didn't have grid multiplication when I was in school, so I thought I'd show you how it works. What you do is you break the numbers up. Let's say you've got 72 times 5. 72 times 5. Instead of thinking, right, that's 72 times 5, you think that's 70 times 5 plus 2 times 5. 70 times 5 is 350, and 2 times 5 is 10. You add those together and get 360. But instead of doing it as brackets like this, and sometimes they would sort of like draw little sort of lines showing which bits multiply which bits. Instead of doing that, what they do is they write it in a grid form and multiply each bit out and then add all those bits together. So first of all, 70 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35, and there's an extra 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Add those together, 360. Let's do this next one. So it's 90 times 5 plus 2 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45, and there's another 0. And 2 times 5 is 10. 460. Sometimes there's more parts. It's sort of like FOIL. If you've seen FOIL explained, sort of like when you have 23 times 23 times 11. But instead of writing 23 times 11, they write it out in brackets like this, breaking all the bits up. And then they do all of the bits of multiplication separately. The 20 multiplies those bits, and the 3 multiplies those bits. So it's a little bit like that, except in a grid form. Show you some more examples. Here we have 13 times 40, but we're going to think 10 times 40 plus 3 times 40. So 10 times 40 is 400. 3 times 4 is 12, and another 0. Add those together, 520. And here we've got 68 times 23, but we're going to think 60 plus 8 times 20 plus 3. In fact, I'll even write that up here. 60 plus 8 times 20 plus 3. And we're going to do all of these multiplications here. We're going to do that one, that one, that one, and that one. So we've got 60, and 8, and 20, and 3. 6 times 2 is 12, 2 zeros. 8 times 2 is 16, and 1 0. 60 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18, and 1 0. 8 times 3 is 24. And we'll add those. And add those. And then finally add those. So those 4 bits get added up. And that's the final answer. 1564. So that's how you do grid multiplication. This method was new to me. I've seen it in the National 5 with algebra put in the brackets and then turned into a grid. So quite a few teachers are using it. Thanks for watching. Bye.